In prime time news this evening, controversial deportation. UK Parliament split over another deportee flight to Jamaica. Party in shambles. PNP again in turmoil after members' harsh criticisms leaked in voice note. And later, slap on the wrist. Church outraged by GLC ruling against former PNP MP and attorney at law Arnaldo Brown.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what are your views on deportations of Jamaicans from the United Kingdom?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.